Hey everyone, Cody here, back again with another Protocase Designer tutorial. For this video, I'm going to show you how to modify your template's properties. Once you have a design going in Protocase Designer, you can change the properties for your selected enclosure at any point throughout your designing. In the 3D viewer, under Template, click Properties. A dialog will open where you can modify the template properties. This is essentially the same dialog you would have seen when you were creating your initial template. On the Metal Options tab, you can change the finish, the metal type, as well as the metal thickness. On the Dimensions tab, you can modify the dimensions for your given enclosure. If your template has hardware such as fasteners, handles, or drawer slides, the Hardware tab will be enabled. This is where you can edit what type of screws you require or select the hardware you want in your design. On the Design Classifications tab, you can choose to mark your design as ITAR, CGP, or any other security designation that you need noted for your design. In the Extras tab, this is where you'll find any option that doesn't quite fit under the previous categories. If none are present on your enclosure, this tab will be disabled. Once you've made all of the edits you want to your template, click OK to save your changes. Protocase Designer will automatically update your template with these new parameters. One tip, I recommend clicking Check Design after you've updated your template properties to make sure your revised template doesn't have any design issues that need to be addressed. For example, you may have selected a finish that is not compatible with the metal you've selected, or your screw type is not compatible with your metal, such as the case here. That's all there is to modifying your template properties, and you can do so at any point throughout your designing.